Can you hear me?
Yes.
Where is Vivian?
We will go to the
To the?
nước hồi and
Ah,
she put the your visitor.
okay. So she will not have the class for today. Vivian will not have class today, Duke. Yeah, so it's going to be you. It's just going to be you're just going to be the only one. Did you go to school?
Yes,
Yes. How are you today?
I'm
How
great.
Okay, that is really great to hear, my dear. So anyway, okay, what did you do at school? What did you do to school at school? Did you play? Did you study? What were the things that you did, honey? Honey?
Study.
Study. Okay. So, do you want to have 1 hour class today, Duke?
Yes,
Okay, 1 hour class or 60 minutes class. So we are going to continue with our material, Duke, okay?
yes.
Okay, wait for a while. It's freezing. Wait. Okay. So teacher is now going to share the screen, Duke. And let's
Yes.
have our material all ready. Can you see teacher's screen?
Yes.
Okay, well, that's great to hear, honey. Now we are going to have our material, which we already started last time, honey. Last time, we have already started with this one. Okay, this is the lesson 16.3. 15.3. Okay, so anyway, honey, teacher's now going to start. You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, I am ready. Okay, so teachers having the first page. Honey, what is this? Look,
It is skate.
skate. Very good, honey. This one is skate. The boy is
Skate.
skate. Huh? But we have is. We have the word is. Skating.
Skating.
Yeah, because we have the word is, honey. Again, one more time. The boy is skating.
The boy is skating.
Very good. That is it. Hold on, wait for a while, honey. Okay. How about you, Duke? Do you know how to skate, Duke?
Yes.
Wow. You know how to skate. You like skating, Duke.
Yes.
Where do you skate? Where do you skate?
Outside my house.
Ah, you say, I skate outside my house.
I skate outside my house.
Very good. That is it. Okay, hold on. Let me put your attendance first right here. Do you miss Vivian?
Yes.
Oh, you missed her. Okay. Okay,
Skate.
let's have the next one, Duke. What is this word? What is
Teacher,
this word? Ah,
look
yeah.
my hand.
Yes, that's your aunt. Let me see. Wow. Where is she? What is she doing? What is that?
Wait.
Is it a gift? Ah, what's that? Ah, is she at school?
Yeah.
Is it a school? School? Ah, okay.
Wait,
Is it
teacher.
okay, honey? Here. Is it a far? Did go to a far?
Look.
Okay, hold on, honey. Wait. What? Okay. Oh, what is that? What is that? What's that one? Is it like a certificate?
Wait.
Okay.
Look closer.
Ah, it's like a certificate, honey. It is like a certificate. Certificate. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's really great to see, honey. Okay. Let me share my screen again. I think, okay, wait. I think your aunt received received an award. Here, honey. Look at the message. What do you think? Yes?
My aunt.
Yes. She received an award, right? Ah, okay. All right, and then Vivian and Kian are with her. Vivian's mom. Vivian is with her mom, dad, and then brother, right? Honey?
And he going to brought Vivian and Kian going to her father.
Ah, I see. Where is Kian and Vivian's father? Ah, yes. The four of them went there, right? That's what you mean? The four of them went there? Okay. Anyway, let's continue, honey. Let us continue with our material.
Drink.
Okay, how about this one, honey? What?
The right.
Very good. The word is drink. What is the man doing? What
The
is the
man
man
is
doing?
drink.
Drinking.
Drinking.
Okay, you have the word is. Again, honey, I'm going to remind you again. Let me remind you again that if there is word is in the sentence, you have to add ing to the word, to the verb.
Nếu có một từ là câu, bạn phải
No.
thêm đuôi ing vào.
Wait, honey, no. This one.
Nếu trong câu có từ is, bạn phải thêm đuôi ing vào động từ.
Okay? Is. Here, honey, look. I'm going to paste this. Look. Okay, the man is drinking. Okay, what is the man doing? The man is?
The man is drinking.
Very good. Honey, what do you like to drink, Duke? What do you like to drink?
Watermelon too.
Wow, you like to drink watermelon juice. Is it yummy? Is it yummy and delicious? Duke? Yes, okay. All
Drink.
right. How about this one? What is this word? Very good. The girl is eating. But for the word eating, honey, it only has one T. One T only. Duke? Okay, I'll
Yes.
have to remind you again. When writing a sentence, you should remember that the first word should start with a capital letter.
Khi viết câu, bạn nên nhớ rằng chữ cái đầu tiên phải bắt đầu bằng chữ cái viết hoa.
Okay?
Yes.
Yes, like for example, like what you've okay. Can you write it again? The girl is it should start with big T. Big T, okay? This one. Big T. Capital letter. Okay? The first word should start with a capital letter. Okay?
Yes.
Again.
Khi viết câu, bạn nên nhớ rằng chữ cái đầu tiên phải bắt đầu bằng chữ cái viết hoa. Phải bắt đầu.
This one, okay? Yeah? The first word should start with a capital letter. Okay? All right. Again, what is
Eat.
the girl doing? The girl is?
The girl is eating.
Very good. Okay, how about this? What do you think is that word? It is?
Read.
Read. Read. The man is reading. Very good. Duke, do you like reading, Duke? Do you also like reading? Oh, Duke, you have to remember. Okay, you have to remember, honey, that when writing a sentence, it should always, hold on, it should always end. Always, end with a period. And with a period, should. Here, listen to this one.
Khi viết một câu, câu đó luôn phải kết thúc bằng dấu chấm.
Okay?
Yes.
Yes, it should always end with a period like that. Put a period here. Period. When writing a sentence, it should always start with a capital letter and should end with a period.
Khi viết một câu đó luôn phải bắt đầu bằng chữ cái viết hoa và kết thúc bằng dấu chấm.
Okay? The man is reading. Period, honey. Put a period. Period. This is a period, okay? This one is the period. You put a period here, okay?
Yes.
All right. Again, what is the man doing? The man is?
The man is reading.
Very good. The man is reading. How about this? What about this? How about this one? The girl is? Oops. Very good, dog. Yay! Great job. It started with a capital letter. Very good. And the verb has the ing at the end. Great job. And you also wrote or added the period. Great job. The girl is singing. Again, one more time. What is the girl doing? The girl is
The girl is singing.
singing. Very good. The girl is singing. Do you know how to sing, Duke?
Yes.
Wow. Do you like singing?
Yes.
Wow. Where do you sing? Honey, again,
In the
do you?
class.
Okay, again, do you like singing? You say, yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Where do you sing? I sing in my class.
I sing in my class.
Very good. That is how you say it. Now let's move forward to
Sing.
the next one. What do you think is this? What is the man doing? Okay, you write it. Okay. All right, again, one more time. Oh, where is the period? Honey, the period. Yes. Okay, again, what is the man doing? The man is?
The man is sleeping.
Okay, very good. The man is sleeping. Honey, what time do you usually sleep, Duke? What time do you usually sleep?
Hello.
Okay, again, here. I'm going to translate it, okay? What time do you usually sleep?
Bạn thường ngủ lúc mấy giờ?
Nine.
9? 9? Okay, you say. 9. You say, I usually sleep. Can you say that? I usually sleep at 9 p.m.
I was not sleep at 9
p.m.
p.m.
Honey,
p.m.
you read this word as usually. Usually.
I usually sleep at 9
p.m.
p.m.
Very
Sleep.
good. Okay, again, what is the man doing? The man is
The man is sleeping.
very good. The man is sleeping. Okay, now let's have this one. What can she do? What can he do? Again, what can he do?
He can skate.
Okay, very good. He can skate. How about this one? What can't he do? What can't he do?
He can't skate.
Very good. He can't skate. That is it, honey. Now let's have this one. For a boy, honey, we call or we have here the what is it, honey? Okay, we have here
What?
the pronoun. Okay? Pronouns. Do you know pronouns, honey? Do you know the pronouns? Pronouns. Pronouns.
Đại từ,
Đại từ. For a boy, what's the pronoun if it's a boy? It will be, if it's a boy, look, it will be a he. He.
He.
Okay, we call it a pronoun. Again, one more time. Say pronoun.
Pronoun.
Pronoun. Okay? Pronoun or đại từ.
đại từ,
Đại từ. Pronoun. Now, if it's a girl, honey, what's the pronoun of the girl? The pronoun of the girl is, look, what is the pronoun of the
Yes.
girl? What is the pronoun of the girl? It is
She.
she. Very good. How about you, Duke? What is your pronoun? What is your
My
pronoun?
pronoun is he.
Very good. How about teacher? What is teacher's pronoun?
Teacher is she.
She. How about Vivian? What is Vivian's pronoun?
Vivian pronoun is she.
Very good. It is she. Okay, now let's move forward, honey, to the next one.
What?
Huh? Okay. Let's have now this one, honey. We have here the action words and not action words. Do you know action words, honey? Action words. You say
lời nói hành động,
lời nói, hành động.
lời nói
Lời
hành
nói
động,
hành.
Very good. Now, you have to find the action words first.
Yes.
trước tiên bạn phải tìm ra các từ chỉ hành động.
Okay? You encircle the action words.
Action word.
Yes, action words. Do you know action words? Action words.
Lời nói hành động,
lời nói, hành động.
Hành động. Yeah, yes.
Yes.
Lời nói action word. Okay.
Here. You put it here. This is the lời nói hành động. Okay. Okay, so what are, okay, oh, you still have one, honey. Yes, okay, how about the not action words? Not action words, yes.
Không phải lời nói hành động.
Không phải lời nói hành động. Okay, let's have the action words, honey. Read the action words. Read all the action words. We have the sleep. Read. Yes. Ah, we have one more. You forgot one more. Yes. Okay, now read. Read the action words, Duke. Read the action words.
Read the action word. Sleep the
Đọc.
action word. Eat the action word. Jump the action word. Sing the action word. Skate the action word.
Very good. Great job, Duke. Okay, honey. The action words are what we call the verb. Verb, okay? Now, how
Next,
about not the action words? Not action words.
the chicken is not action word.
What else?
The cat is not action word.
What
The
else?
jellyfish not action word.
Very good. Great job, honey. Great job. Very good. Okay. Now, let's have this one, honey. You have to look and encircle, Duck. Look and then encircle. Encircle.
Encircle.
Yes. Okay, what's the answer for number one? What is the answer for number one? Number one is, look. Number one is, the man is,
one is drink.
the man is drinking.
The man is drinking. The
Very
man
good. Number
is
two,
eating. The
the
girl is skating. Skating. The cat is sleeping.
The man
man reading. The
man is singing.
the man is singing.
Very good. Okay, I will be back, honey, okay? Teacher's going to end this and then you'll go back again, okay? Let's go back again.